So the mantras are according to the chakra that is in problem. Supposing your Nabi chakra is not alright, and if you start saying the mantra of this one is no use, so you must know what center is catching from your fingers. Now you can make out here in this chart, if you see on this side, we have got written the numbers according to the centers on this side. If you see it clearly, now these are the numbers of the centers, alright? So then, and also here it is written in this chart, what are the different deities. Now, all these deities should be first understood, where are they? And when you have to say the mantras, what you have to do is to coin it into a proper Sahaja Yoga mantra. Have you given that?
It's not in these books, Mother.
But they will tell you. The pattern has to be like this, which says whatever is the thing is woven into the complete. I mean, you are to be recommended, isn't it? Somebody has to say. So you have to say that I am the one who has given you this knowledge. So just you have to use that particular thing which they will give you the pattern, which is very simple. And you have to use these names of these deities, different deities accordingly. And gradually you will be amazed that it will work out. But when you come here, they will tell you it's very simple. It's very simple. But you must know where the chakras are. First of all, you must become sensitive. So I would suggest that you must start using olive oil for your fingers and for your toes. See, rub it nicely, make your fingers sensitive. Because of various things, our hands have become gross. See, to feel it better, use some nice olive oil, massage it nicely, and sometimes if you wear the gloves in the night, they can soften it also. You must soften. Soft hands are better. And the nail should not be very long, not very badly cut sort of thing, you see, and they are to be properly done. So that when you use on others, they should not feel hurt with your nail. But for yourself also, you should not have very right hand specially, because you will have to use it like this here. Say you have a Vishuddha chakra. Then you will have to use your Nabi chakra like that. So what actually is the matter with you is to be first realized. So first you have to understand yourself. What is your problem? What you are suffering from? And then how to correct it. If you could find out how to correct it and what is your problem, then it is the easiest thing is to coin a mantra to improve yourself. Alright? It's very simple. Now you have met me only a day back, I should say. But you will be amazed the knowledge that you will have now about yourself will be tremendous. So first is self-realization, means you know yourself. Once you know yourself, you start knowing others, because we are all collectively conscious. Those who are realized souls become aware of others. So first of all, if you want to see your own vibrations, you have to put yourself into bandhan like this, as I told you, like this. Now let's do it. Put your left hand towards me.
Like this towards Mataji, Sri Mataji, and your other hand goes over the outside. And you go over once, back over the top twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, and 7. And just check your vibration.
Now, these are your vibrations. Whatever you do. Now check. See now, which finger is burning. See, carefully. That's it. Now this is left navi. Now which one is burning? Be careful. Pay attention. Which one? Which one? Yeah? Yes, maybe he is constipated, is he? Does he get constipation? Yes. He's a liver. That's a liver. Sign of liver. You see? And also constipated. So he is more a right-sided person, because the right side is this thing. So he has to put left to the right, like this. Alright?
I'm just warm and sticky. What would that be?
You have a heart.
That's all.
You put your right hand on your heart.
three are slightly warm.
Well, all right, doesn't matter. And the other one? Nothing. All right, so put your left to the right. Left to the right.
You take it, when she says left to the right, what you're doing is not just this one, but you're actually lifting the left side
And taking
lowering
the grace
right
from
side.
the right.
And you come across, you lift the left side again, because you're balancing. You're taking
And
from-
taking the grace, you see, on the right side, because right side is showing nothing. If the right side is showing nothing, then what you are doing, you are lifting your left, which is slightly showing, and you take up and bring it down with your right hand, left to the right.
If you've got problems on the right side, if you've got problems in your right fingers, any of them, or your hand, you take from the left side and over the top, and you bring down the grace into the right side. Okay, then it's the opposite. That's as simple as that.
No, she's not. If you are not feeling at all on right hand, then you have right hand problem. You are not feeling any vibrations, huh? And left hand you are feeling what?
Slightly warm.
Slightly warm on the left side, she's feeling.
This combinations are.
So she has to go from
Right.
right to left, right to left.
The change hands.